Hi friends, today I'll be explaining you people as to why you need to have a website for your photography business. Coming to the and the most important point, if you have a website, you'll build your brand. Without your brand identity, nobody recognizes you in this world, in this period of time. Having a website is a professional way to build your brand and it gives you full control of your work, like as to how you represent yourself and your work to your clients, in front of your clients. Not only it will give you a convenient place to display your images, videos for viewing, but everything about your website can be customized to build your brand. That is your own identity in front of your customers, in front of the world. When clients hire you, they are hiring you for more than your pictures. They are hiring you for yourself, your personality and your style, the way you shoot, the way you take the pictures, the videos and all. If your brand if you brand yourself properly, they get a sense of comfort from knowing what to expect from your side. Okay, coming to the next point, you can educate your potential clients. You can give information to your potential clients. For example, have you heard these questions? How much do you charge for each and every session? Or do you do baby photography or newborn photography? Do you do maternity shoots? Do you do candid shoots? These are the questions which you get from the client side, and you will be answering this each and every time. Instead of that, if you have a website, this will enable you to streamline client communication and will help you to stop wasting precious time sending the same information repeatedly to your potential clients. If you have a website, all this information you can display it on your website, and whenever your clients go and visit your website, all the information will be displayed in front of them. Websites can be a valuable tool for your business when it comes to clients education, because you can have it all, like all information you can have it on the spot, like in one spot for them to view it instead of calling you, inquiring and all. Coming to the next point, it is affordable and easy. Nowadays, most of the photographers think having a website is very much costly, it is not cheap, it is very costly, we can't invest, we can't afford. So, starting your website is very easy in today's world, okay? And it is very much affordable. There are many options available for every budget. See, you might have some low budget or high budget. You can go through static website, dynamic websites. There are different kinds of websites. Some people select to sell products through websites, so they select e-commerce website. So you should not think about the financials, okay? If you are thinking about your finances, this will keep you away from the goal. You will not achieve the goal, you will never move forward. Okay, so I recommend you people, each and everybody should have a website, and don't let the myth that it has to be painful and difficult hold back. For example, okay, I have to afford this much, this is very much costly website, I'm not able to design. See, for each and every budget we can design a website and give it for you people. This couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, if you are just getting started, if you're getting started, if this is a startup photography, website is very much important for you people. Coming to the next point now, it is expected in today's technological age, each and every business should have a website. It is being expected from the client's pres- point of view. For example, the client will be asking you, do you have a website? I want to see the photographs and videos. Then what you people, like in nowadays, what photographers are doing is they'll be sending the data through WhatsApp, in which the pixels of the image get decreased, and they can't view the clarity of the image. So nowadays people, they love to go online and scope things, okay, and they commit for one or the other thing, and that also includes photography business. So custom photography is an investment. Okay, if I want to get some photography done, it is my investment from my side, so that I cherish those memories forever. So I want the best service given to me, and people want to know, like, even I, if I'm investing for something, I want to know, okay, where is my hard earned money going? So each and everybody will have that expectation, and they want that quality work. So having a website is very much essential in nowadays. You can show your prospects that you are worth by having a website up and ready. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it should exist. It should show your information, it should display your information. If not, you people should be prepared for clients not to take you seriously, and they'll pass on to some other photographer who already has an existing website where he has done great work. See, you might be doing good work, good photography, good videography, but let it come in front of the clients. Let it put it pull all your talent. Don't hide it. So I recommend you people to show your talent in front of the world. You can have a website, you can design a website. No, don't think about costing and all. So each and every budget, you people can design a website. This is what I recommend all the photographers from my side. Now I have come to the end of this presentation. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you can mention them in comment section. I'll try answering all your questions. Please like and comment on this video and share this video with all. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Have a great day.